Experience off-road RC racing like never before with the Top Race RC Rock Crawler. Top Race RC Rock Crawler has the power, the tires, and the shocks to go over anything in its path and handle any extreme stunt you want to throw its way. Whether you are racing on the pavement, rocks, mud, or shallow water, this truck can easily outmaneuver any obstacle. The powerful four-wheel drive engine uses state-of-the-art crawling technology and large treaded tires fully equipped with shock absorbers. You can cling to any terrain and handle extreme jumps. The Rock Crawler uses regular AA batteries and is the best gift for anyone 8 years or older.